I think honestly this is a golden age, if you will, and where technology is getting so much better and we're able to get high quality products like what you're seeing on the screen. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive right in. This video is a sequel to a video that I did a couple months back. And in that video, I was being over the top and funny, and I was highlighting 5 types of people in the precious metals community that I just really hate, I dislike. And I was creating some stereotypes, coming up with funny names like Body Odor Brodies, Judge Jethro's in the comments, people that, you know, and again, being just exaggerating, but really trying to highlight some things about our community, about the industry that I don't like, trying to, I would call healthy shame of, hey, this isn't who we are as a people, right? Let's do better. But I don't want to be just negative because there's plenty of negativity out there. And so it's taken me a lot longer to get to this video than I would like. But today I want to highlight some people in the community that I really love, the type of people that I really like. And at the same time, I'm going to be honoring some amazing people in my life that I think represent this, as well as showing some awesome precious metals. So we're going to dive straight in. And what I want to highlight this first group of people is the community Chris's. And I think these American silver eagles on the screen do a really good job of highlighting that, because eagles are very communal birds. They mate in pairs. They often live in groups of, like smaller groups, like either the pairs or just groups of them. And my buddy Chris, he really epitomizes this. And Chris, if you're watching this, man, love you, appreciate everything that you've done for me and for the community of believers that we've been working with for, 3-4 years now. It's crazy how time flies. And for those that are part of this community, you'll see the little Easter egg that I have here on the screen with how I've got these eagles laid out. So if you know, you know. But to highlight this, again, for the precious metals industry, I think it does this is what I enjoy, I think, the most about when I create these videos. And I've been doing videos now for, I think over 2.5 years now. I'm monetized now, which is awesome. But honestly, guys, I'm not making enough to quit my day job, right? Small time creator. I'm very thankful for the income that I have, that I'm making off of YouTube, but that's not my primary reason behind this. It's interacting with people. It's hopefully providing entertainment, encouragement, and hopefully some ideas, some strategies to help you take control of your financial future. And I am, again, there's been those Judge Jethro's in the comments, but honestly, it has been so fun to interact with each and every one of you. There's some longtime folks that have been following my channel for a while. You know who you are. Thank you so much for your support and your comments. I just love interacting with people. And again, there's a couple of bad apples out there. There's some people that I have to block from my channel. But overall, I think people just want to interact with people in their community, others that are interested in the precious metals, right? They want to interact with them. They want to make connections. And I think that's what's awesome. So I encourage you, again, this isn't a faith-based thing. This is just in life in general. All of us need community. And so whether it's in precious metals, if it's another hobby that you love, build community, make those connections with people. As tough as the world is right now, ladies and gentlemen, we need community. So the second type of person that I really love that's in our industry is the amazing Amy's. And to signify this, I'm just going to highlight a couple of ladies that are highlighting or that are on some of these different coins and precious metals that I think are just fantastic. And so my story with Amazing Amy, actually a lady named Amy that I met at a coin show in my area, this year. It's crazy how time flies. And what's amazing about Amazing Amy is that, she was new to this and she admitted it. She'd been in it for 3 or 4 years, fell in love with the precious metals. And, she didn't try to act like she had everything figured out. In fact, actually, and I'll show one of these, she didn't know about the marks that are on these sunshine mint rounds, which honestly I think help make them so valuable, why I love stacking them, why they command the premium. And you can see the valid, barely, if the camera will focus. Come on, focus. Yep, you can kind of see it right there. She didn't know about that, and I was able to help educate her on that. But one of the things that really stood out to me was her integrity, because she talked about going to an estate and buying Engelhard bars and not knowing at the time their premium and value, and ended up paying the lady spot for it, found out later her mistake, and went back to that lady and corrected it and paid her more funds, paid her more money, and she didn't have to do that. And, you know, while there are some people, these dealers, these local coin store, Larry's, I think was one of the people I mentioned in my last video, man, there's some really awesome people. And you see this in some of the big channels like Silver Dragons or Yankee Stacking with Tim and some of these other guys that are on there. Some really, and not have gone to their shops before, but just some Tim, Harry, it seems like some guys that are just really cool, have high integrity, high character, and are just trying to educate people. So as I highlight just a few more precious metals, just wrapping it up, hats off to you, Amy. You're awesome, and I hope that there's more amazing Amy's out there, amazing Alexanders, if you will, people that really have the best interests of their local people that come into their coin stores, the daily average Joe, if you will, to give another name, that doesn't know anything about this, people that could be taken advantage of, and you're doing things the right way. I want to respect that. So the last category, and this is almost two kind of smushed together, but it is the mint mics, right? Mint mics and creative coals. And I'm just going to honestly show you a huge spattering of some of my favorite, most unique silver and gold that I have in my stack now to kind of show this off. And a couple of amazing men in my life, two different mics. Actually, I've got a lot more than that. There's actually at least 3 or 4 I know, but just to highlight two, Micah, another brother of mine that's been heavily involved in the ministry that I'm in. I've known him for over a decade. Just a fantastic man, fantastic character, and has been just a real mentor to me. And so, Mike, love you, appreciate you, my brother. And another guy, we'll call him Big Mike. He is a good friend of mine as well. I've done community with him for years and years. Is also involved in this ministry. And Mike, man, you've been such an encouragement to me. You've helped me use my voice to really grow as a leader, be able to call a spade and to stand up for myself and others. I really appreciate that about you, brother. Love you so much. And then the creative Coles out there. I've got a good friend, Cole, that I'm also in community with, and he's just, man, it's been so fun to partner with him on projects and different things like that. And so, and not only honoring these guys that I've been in connection with, I think it's so cool in our industry, the precious metals themselves and the amazing mints that are out there that are producing such high quality and unique products, right? It's not just, the normal coins, right? It's not just these amazing maple leaves or these American silver eagles. It's the things that we see from like Scottsdale Mint, right? Like, look at this. This is, again, to get a little 250th flavor, look at the detail, look at the design on this, the uniqueness of this. Of course, I can't get away in one of these videos without showing off one of my roaring lions. Those are fantastic. And then even just the uniqueness in shape and design, like one of these elemental bars, and they've got a 250th one out too. I'm still debating on whether or not I'm going to get one of those. Another elemental product, one of these snowflakes, right? I think these are fantastic. And then you get into more like this collectible silver. Like, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, focus. Let's focus here. Like at this Last Supper, like look at the detail, the quality on this, the uniqueness, like the negative back, if you will, and the shape. That is all just fantastic. And there's just so many different opportunities, right, that we have in this industry to just get high quality precious metals. And it's not just, boring, right? It's not just slabs and bars of gold and silver, which is fantastic, right? And sometimes that, again, I'm not advocating in this that you go out and spend all your money on collectible precious metals, right? You need to have, things that are close to spot, but I would say also that you can resell at a good value. But having said that, it's also just amazing to see the quality, the different things in our industry. And I mean, really, again, I'm newer at this than a lot, but I'd love to hear from some of the more veterans that have done this before. I think honestly this is a golden age, if you will, and where technology is getting so much better and we're able to get high quality products like what you're seeing on the screen. I think that's fantastic. And the creativity right now, the quality of these Mint mics and Creative Coles is just fantastic. So that's going to do it for the video today. In the comments, again, bonus points, if you've got a creative name for this, but I'd love to hear some of the types of people or things about our industry, about this community of stacking, or maybe just it's silver investing or gold investing, that investing in miners, right? Learning about mining stocks that you really enjoy. Let's spread some positivity out there and see what people really enjoy about this great industry and community that we're all a part of. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, be blessed, be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.